what's in the box. Conn bass sax with the neck. Well, I bought this old Conn bass sax. I couldn't resist. I've always wanted one. And now this is going to become a project of all projects to get it totally functional and restored to a playable instrument. There's the engraving. It's really cool. I've got the neck and the socket for the neck. And yeah, but this is the beginning. I'm going to break it down soon, take all the keys off, hopefully get the body cleaned up sooner than later, but there's a lot of body work that needs to happen. I'm missing a tone hole down there on the low C. That's probably the biggest thing that's gonna, as far as recreating a new part goes. What else? Just a lot of mechanical slop, things to tighten up, and obviously repad it. But it should be a pretty sweet instrument when it's all done.